I wanted to say thank you to BeThere Global. BeThere Global is the platform that we are on, and I am profoundly grateful for their sponsorship. They partnered with us and are sponsoring the event with a whole team of people. The cost is amazing. I'm truly, truly thankful. And I would like to recommend that at some time that you will find out about BeThere Global, because I cannot overemphasize how helpful they have been in such a short time when we decided to transition to online, stepping forward, led by Martin. Thank you, Martin, stepping forward and partnering with us. And even yesterday at 7 o'clock in the evening, we were still making changes and they were still saying, yes, that's fine. So thank you to the whole team. Thank you, Martin, for saying yes. And absolutely, I have no words to thank you. That is truly a spirit of support. Thank you so much.